Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2024 Yamaha 252SE. So up here in the bow starting out, you can see we've got this large, spacious bow in this beautiful, warm interior color, is what Yamaha calls it here. This is, like I said, it's nice and spacious, and you do have the ability to add your insert cushions in here to make this a full pad you can hang out on, sunbathe, something like that. You do have 2 cup holders on either side of the bow seating here, as well as your anchor storage up in the front. This non-skid also works as a nice step down system when you're climbing in off the bow of the boat here. Moving on back a little bit towards the cockpit, you can see we've got this in-floor storage here. Nice big compartment, we've got the cover in there now. You can fit full skis, wakeboards, tubes, any kind of toys you're out on the water with. And on top of that, you can see we've got this super nice snap-in sea deck flooring here. So that's like your typical marine mat, super absorbent, non-slick, right? But the snap-ins, you're able to take it out, blast it off, clean it, makes cleaning super easy on there, and you've got non-skid underneath there. Over here on the port side, you can see we've got this huge compartment for the head, right? So you just have to add a porta potty in there, and then that's a full sit-down head on there. Moving on over to the captain's side here, you can see we got this nice big Yamaha Connect screen. So that's got your engine management screen, your chart plotter, your waypoints. Also how you're going to control your music on board, taking advantage of that specially tuned E-Series stereo system from Yamaha. Also, a huge feature of the 252SE is your digital throttle on there, so there is no throttle cable. Makes super smooth shifting, super smooth docking, very easy to operate as a whole. We've also got these nice full swivel captain's chairs up front here with the armrest, and then on the captain's side you do have that bolster as well. While we're out on the water, we're getting tons of shade from this huge canopy on this special tower for the 252SE model. It's got this nice tow point up at the top here, and then this canopy actually does have the ability to loosen it to rock back and forth a bit, so when you fold it down, it'll all lay flat. One of my favorite features of the 252SE is this kind of hideaway table here. So you got this nice section here with some storage in there, but if you lean this backrest forward, you're able to fold up this table, and it makes that area a bit bigger. You can use that as, cutting board, maybe, mix up some drinks, something like that. It's a nice spot to have while you're out on the water. Underneath each of these seats, you do got plenty of storage on board. So that way you can store all your toys and equipment out there. Then another awesome feature that is special to the 252SE are these sliding loungers back here. So you've got the ability to rock those back and forth based on how you're wanting to sit. You rock them forward, you got a nice long spot back on the swim platform. If you're facing forward, you're able to take advantage of all this space on the lounger here. If you guys got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.